Hello guys, today we are learning how to make a high score in Scratch. So click on create and you can use the Scratch cat if you want. But let's actually use, let's go to the Scratch website and go to our clicker game. If you haven't, go and check that out. I'm going to make it in the Scratch clicker game. So I've already taught you this. I'll delete the high score variable. So now high score isn't there in anything. So let's start. Make a new variable called high score and for all sprite and cloud variable. You can add it on anything eh, any sprite if you whatever you want, but you just want to put in a forever loop. So I'm gonna put in the scratch cat, and if I'm gonna make it if the operators, so if the high score is less than the score, is gonna set the high score into score. So that's that's will be 1 because it's the first time. Now if I click here, it's still 1. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.